Hello friends, welcome to our journey. Today we will go through the picturesque hill stations of India. India boasts an array of stunning lush green hills and waterfalls to lovely lakes, each with its own unique charm and allure. Join us today we uncover the top hill stations of India. Mesmerizing Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Located 34 km from Dehradun, Mussoorie is one of the most famous hill stations in India. Mussoorie is popularly known as the Queen of the Hills. The quaint churches and hotels here are a wonderful reminder of Mussoorie's colonial past. The best places to visit here are the Kempty Falls, Jwala Devi Temple, Benong Wildlife Sanctuary, Dalai Hills. One can try trekking, paragliding, rock climbing and whitewater rafting. The best time to visit is April to June. The majestic Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Nestled in majestic Himalayas, Manali is the perfect destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Dotted with valleys, milky white waterfalls, its natural beauty is beyond compare. This stunning hill station is also home to temples and ancient forts. The best places to visit in Manali are the Deepak Tal, Manali Sanctuary, Hidimba Devi Temple, Rohtang Pass. Things that you can do in Manali are river rafting, paragliding, skiing, camping, trying local cuisines. The best time to visit Manali is from October to June. Jewel of the Northeast, Shillong, Meghalaya. Shillong is ideal to beat the summer heat and relax in the lap of nature. Rolling hills, swaying pine trees, crystal clear lakes, gorgeous waterfalls add a distinctive charm to the town and attract tourists from far and near. Shillong is considered to be one of the cleanest hill stations in India. The best places to visit in Shillong are the Nohakalikai Falls, Watts Lake, Elephant Falls, Lady Hydari Park, Butterfly Museum. The things to do in Shillong are visiting parks and waterfalls, trying the local cuisines, shopping for souvenirs. Best time to visit is from March to June. The enchanting Nainital, Uttarakhand. Situated around the Emerald Naini Lake, Nainital is renowned for its serene atmosphere and pleasant climate. Explore the vibrant markets, go boating on the lake, or trek to the scenic viewpoints. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Naina Devi Temple, Hanuman Grahi Temple, Kechi Dham, Krupa Tal. Best time to visit is from March to June. The land of paradise, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Popularly known as Paradise on Earth and the City of Lakes, Srinagar is undoubtedly the most beautiful hill station in India. From enjoying the mesmerizing views of snow-capped mountains, lush valleys, to taking a shikara ride on Dal Lake, you can do so much in Srinagar. The best places to visit in Srinagar are the Dal Lake, Tulip Garden, Patthar Masjid, Jama Masjid, Shalimar Bagh, Mughal Garden, Shankaracharya Temple. Explore different gardens, shop for Kashmiri shawls, woolen and dry fruits at Lal Chowk Market. Also try the snow skiing. The best time to visit is from April to September. The land of high passes, Leh Ladakh. Explore the rugged terrain and stark beauty of Leh Ladakh, one of the highest hill stations in India. Embark on a thrilling road trip along the Leh-Manali highway. Visit ancient monasteries like Shanti Stupa, Tiksi Monastery. Visit the Leh Palace and marvel at the surreal Pangong Lake. Enjoy the camel safari at Nubra Valley. The best time to visit is from April to June. Queen of the Nilgiris, Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Ooty, also known as Udagamandalam, is a charming hill station nestled in the Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu. To enjoy the best views of the valley and mountains, you must take a ride on the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, the steepest track in Asia and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the lush botanical gardens, the rose garden and the tea museum, leisurely boat ride on Ooty Lake. Visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple, spend your time fishing and rafting near the Avalanche Lake. The best time to visit is from March to June. The perfect destination for the honeymooners. Darjeeling, West Bengal. Darjeeling is the perfect gateway for nature lovers and honeymooners. Darjeeling is a favorite among summer travelers, offering stunning views of the world's third highest peak, Kanchenjunga. Best places to visit in Darjeeling are the Dal Monastery, Happy Valley Tea Estate, Peace Pagoda, Rock Garden, Tiger Hill. One can enjoy a ride on the ropeway, explore tea gardens and monasteries. The best time to visit is from April to June. The beautiful Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Situated amidst the Sayadi range of Maharashtra, Mahabaleshwar is famous for its panoramic views, lush greenery and strawberry farms. Treat your taste buds to delicious strawberry delicacies and locally sourced honey. Explore the scenic viewpoints like the Elephant Point, Sunset Point, Arthur's Point, Wilson Point. Go trekking to Pratapgarh Fort, to boating on Veena Lake. Seek blessing at ancient temples like the Krishna Temple, Mahabaleshwar Temple. The best time to visit is from March to June. So what are you waiting for? The hill stations listed above are a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, promising a rejuvenating experience amid its nature's bounty. Start planning your next getaway to one of these enchanting destinations and create unforgettable memories. If you like our channel, do like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos.